Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you a live withdrawal on this particular platform over here. So guys, before I even proceed with my withdrawal, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on the videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you here a live withdrawal from this particular platform over here. So guys, without much further ado, I'll click on the mission button over here. So it will take me to another page where it says go to finish over here. So I'll just click on the go to finish button. You can see that it will load for a while, and then you see that it has been processed. So guys, what is left for me to do is to click on this home button over here. I'll just click on it. You can see that my balance has increased from 70 to 71.5 over here, guys. And all I need to do now is to click on the withdrawal button over here, guys. So I'll just click on this withdrawal button, guys. And also guys, remember this is my balance account over here. I only have $37.87 in. I only have $13 in my USDT over here. So guys, I'll just go back to this platform here to withdraw and testify whether this platform is really legitimate or not. So what is left for me to do is to put in the quota, which is 1.5 USDT over here. Then I'll just type in the security password over here. I'll just enter the security password over here. So I've entered the security password, and that is all. So what is left for me to do is to click on this withdrawal button, and it says withdrawal has been succeeded. So guys, whilst waiting for my withdrawal, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform, how to basically register a new account. So for me to do that, let me first of all log out my account so that I'll show you guys how to basically register or sign up a new account. So for you to sign up a new account, kindly open the description box below this video and click on the referral link over there so that it could lead you to this page where you click on the sign up button. Then over here, you type in your email over here, you type in your password, your security password, you include any information on your WhatsApp or your Telegram over here, and the invitation code. So guys, remember the invitation code is also important, so you need to use my referral link so that I could be able to get an invitation code. So over here guys, I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on the sign in over here right now, and it takes me to another page where it says it lists me here. So guys, over here, as you can see, this is my dashboard over here. As you can see, after registration, this is how your dashboard will be looking like. So over here we have some couple of other options that you need to know before you can invest. Over here, this is the deposit button over here. For you to deposit, you just need to check the level or the VIP level. So guys, boom, 18, my 1.5 USDT has been successfully submitted to my wallet over here. So for you to know or for you to buy a plan over here, you just need to check all these plans over here. And with the basic plan is going for 90, with the basic plan is going for $70 over here, $70. Where they've already credited you with 60, and you just need to deposit 10 USDT to be accumulating 1.50 each and every day, guys. And with this 100 USDT, you just need to top up with only 40 USDT in addition to your 60, so that you could be able to earn 5.80 USDT each and every day. And it goes on like, and with this one too, you just need to top up with $130. You just need to top up with $130, so that you just need to top up with some $110 so that you could be able to earn $16 each and every day over here, guys. And it goes on and on. So after that, you just need to click on this deposit button over here. You click on the deposit button, you wait for a while, this wallet pops up, you copy it and go back to your Binance wallet, guys. So guys, my withdrawal has been submitted to my wallet, and let me check. So as you can see, my balance has increased from 13.21 to 14.71 over here, as you guys can see. So right here, deposit has been confirmed just now over here. The time is 8:17 over here, and as you can see, 8:15. It got in 8:15 over here. 8:15 over here. So guys, my withdrawal has been submitted successfully to my wallet, and it has increased from 13.21 to 14.71. So guys, then you make the deposit right here. After completing, you just click on the recharge completed, and in order for you to also withdraw, you just need to click on the withdrawal button over here. Then you input your quota, then you click on the confirm button. And guys, for you to do your mission to get a reward, or for you to do your mission to get commission, you just need to click on this mission button over here. Then after that, you click on the finish, just like I did, so that you could be able to earn more and more. And you can also share with your friends and family by clicking on the star in the middle over here. Then you get to copy your referral link, share it with your friends and family, so that you could be able to get more and more from this platform. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. As you guys could bear, I've made a live deposit and a live withdrawal, and today I also did another live withdrawal. And guys, if you want to check how to register and everything, you can go back to my previous videos, and you can go and watch it and look and witness how I made the deposit. And today guys, I've made a live withdrawal of 1.50 USDT over here guys. So everything shows that this site is really legitimate and it's making a lot of profit for us. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.